Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I want to share with you a WordPress theme that is very suitable for all WordPress beginners or people who are new to WordPress and you want to start with a theme that is flexible enough to create for a few purposes. Okay, so this theme is called 2024, which is what you are seeing over here. This 2024 theme is the official theme released by WordPress for the year ahead 2024, and never before has WordPress released such a flexible theme that is suitable for three groups of people. First is local business owners, second is photographers, and third is blogger. We can take a look at the back end, and with this theme it comes with the home page. For local business, you can amend this to suit your local business purpose. They also have a blogging template for bloggers, and they also have a template for photographers. So they specially created this 2024 theme cater for these three groups of people. And this theme is very fast and very light. And to use this theme, you just need to install the default and the latest version of either 6.4 or 6.4.1, and you will be able to see this theme loaded immediately on your website. Okay, so the reason I normally discourage you to use other page builders is because for beginners, you may find it the website will be a bit slow to load because page builders like Elemental, DV, they are very heavy on resources, and unless you have a good server, then your website will load pretty fast. If not, if you are using traditional shared hosting, then it's ideally for you to use the default theme such as 2024. And for the first time, you can see that this theme is much better compared to the previous year's official theme. Okay, and along with this release, WordPress 6.4 also have several performance improvement regarding the server side and the client side. They have improved the image loading, script loading, and replace some hard coding stuff. So this means that you are going to have a faster website than your competitor if you are using the default theme to design a local business, a simple website to start off. Okay, and I find this theme is very suitable, especially if you are just wanting to start a simple one-man or two-man person, a small business in your local area, and you do not want to pay someone expensively to create a professional WordPress website, you can just start with this simple 2024 theme. Okay, so in the upcoming weeks, I'll be sharing with you along some of the tips on how you can design the homepage, how you can tweak several elements in this 2024 theme. If there's something that you want to learn on how you can edit this 2024 theme, feel free to post in the discussion in the comments area below. See if I can create videos and guides on based on your questions. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. I will also put a link to a video that show you how to install WordPress in your local computer. Okay, I'll see you then.